Hi, welcome to ArchiCAD 25 Essentials Digital course. This course has 27 lessons which are divided into 6 unique parts. This residential house project will be used when explaining steps and elements of ArchiCAD, and I'm going to take you through easy to follow steps of how to draw such a project. And here is a breakdown of the parts and lessons in this course. Part 1 contains 7 lessons. Part 2 of this course contains 5 lessons. Part 3 of this course contains 5 lessons. And then part 4 of the course contains 2 lessons. Part 5 has 3 lessons, and part 6 of this course has 5 lessons.